BrightSteps Kids. Welcome!
Hi friends, it's me, your story buddy. Today, I have the most magical story to tell. Ready? Let's go! Once upon a time, there was a kind girl named Cinderella. She had chores, a mean stepmom, and stepsisters too. But wait for it, she also had a fairy godmother and a pair of shiny slippers that changed it all. This is Cinderella. She was kind and sweet. But oh no, her stepmother made her do everything. All day long, cleaning, sweeping, scrubbing. While her stepsisters, they just bossed her around.
Swish, swish, sway, sway. Cinderella mop in hand, sweeping floors across the land. Brush and broom go swish and sway, cleaning chores all through the day. Swish, swish, sway, sway. Oh, poor Cindy can't go play. Work and work the cleaning way. Scrub the floor and wash the tray. Do more chores, they always say. Swish, swish, sway, sway. Sparkles fly, but no one's kind. Still she smiles, she doesn't mind. She dreams of stars and sky so blue, hoping one day dreams come true. Swish, swish, sway, sway. Swish, swish, sway, sway.
One sparkly day, something amazing happened. A message came from the palace. The prince was having a party. Woohoo! But oh no! Guess what? Cinderella wasn't allowed to go. Her stepmom said, "You can't go!"
One day came a royal call, a grand ball to invite them all. Ding dong, the letter came, the prince is playing the party game. Dress up, dance, it's party night, but Cindy's hopes went out of sight. Stepmom said with her icy tone, "Cinderella, you'll stay home." "No," said the stepmom with a frown, "You'll stay and scrub this house right down."
Cinderella was all alone. Her stepsisters had left for the royal ball. She was feeling so sad. But guess what? A glowing light appeared. It was a fairy. Her fairy godmother. Wow!
She cried alone by moonlight bright, wishing hard with all her might. Then came sparkles in the air, a fairy godmother floating there. Bibbidi-boo, the fairy said, "No more tears, hold up your head." A wand, a dress, glass shoes so neat. Now she's ready, oh so sweet.
Oh! Cinderella looked amazing! The prince saw her, and boom! It was like magic! They danced and danced. But remember, the fairy godmother had said, "The magic will end at midnight!"
Spin and twirl, the music plays. Stars are shining, what a daze. The prince and Cindy dance so light, spinning round into the night. Twinkle toes and happy hearts, a fairy tale where love just starts.
But oh no! It was midnight! The magic would end! Cinderella ran so fast, she lost her slipper. Ding dong ding! The clock rang loud. Run, Cinderella, run!
Ding dong ding, ding dong ding. The clock went boom, Cindy dashed out of the ring. Dong ding, slippers click and Seeing dresses fly, she raced beneath the starry sky. Ding dong ding, left one shoe on palace stairs. Magic faded in the air. Ding dong ding dong ding dong ding.
The prince searched every house in the land. Find the girl who fits this shoe, he said.
He knocked on doors both big and small. Try this shoe, I ask you all. Tall feet, wide feet, none were right, but he kept looking day and night. He knocked on doors both big and small. Try this shoe, I ask you all. Then at last to Cindy's door. Could it be just one girl more?
The slipper fit! Yay! The prince found her. The slipper fit, and guess what? The prince smiled so big, and Cinderella became a princess. Hooray! They got married with songs and sparkles. Cinderella was so happy. And guess what, friends? They lived happily ever after.
The glass shoe fit, a perfect pair. The prince was smiling ear to ear. A golden dress, a shining crown. Cinderella twirled all around. From dusty chores to royal grace, she found her joy, her rightful place. With cheers and bells and skies so blue, her fairy tale had all come true.
Wasn't that amazing? From chores to castle, because she was kind and never gave up. That's the magic of being good. Always be kind, and one day your dreams will come true too. Bye-bye, friends. Thanks for listening to my story. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Please come again.